በአደም እንዳልቀሰ ተደምሲሱ መስዋዕታ ባህርነት ተደቢሱ ኤሪትራ 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 በአደም እንዳልቀሰ ተደምሲሱ መስዋዕታ ባህርነት ተደቢሱ መዋእል ንኺሳብ ዕላማ ትምህርቲ ጽንዓት ኮይኑ ሸማ ኤሪትራ ዝሃብን ውፅዓት ኣመስኪራ ሓቂ ከምቲ እወት ኤሪትራ ኤሪትራ ኣብ ዓለም ጨቢታቶ ግቦ ክብራ ናጽነት ዘምጽኦ ልኡነ ንህንፃ ንልምዓት ክንስር ስልጣነ ክንልብሳ ግርማ ሕድሪለና ከምጃ ክንስለማ ኤሪትራ ኤሪትራ ኣብ ዓለም ጨቢታቶ ግቦ ክብራ ኤሪትራ ኤሪትራ ኣብ ዓለም ጨቢታቶ ግቦ ክብራ ኤሪትራ ኤሪትራ ኤሪትራ
I usually always take them for granted, so guys, do not worry. With no internet, we have our own Google Maps. Look at this, we got city map. You know what I'm looking for right now? I'm looking for a pub, or the Italian version of a pub. We want beers. I see a mosque, I see historical sites. You know what? We're just gonna raw dog it and find some beers. Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Eritrea.
Thank you. Nice to have us.
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're looking for beer.
Beer?
Beer.
Go straight, then to the right hand side.
Okay.
The building is very tall.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. The old gentleman's dressed very nice. Hello, salam. Do you know where we can find a bar for drinking? Like a beer?
Beer.
Just on this? Okay. Okay. I like your necklace.
Thank you.
This is Eritrean necklace? You have similar?
It's for Christian.
Christian? Okay.
Michael.
What's your name? Ara.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I like your tattoos as well. The lovely ladies, everyone's dressed so well, delicately and beautifully. Salam. It's like a completely new world. It's such an amazing feeling when you travel to a new country, new sights, new people, new faces, new languages. It's really the best thing. You can't beat it. So this is the local coffee shop, but it also is a bar, maybe. So we'll check it out. They've got the European Film Festival. If you see, I'll put a picture on screen now. It's the Italian style, the Art Deco Italian style. So it's very grand. Let's just head inside to show you guys. We've got some foreigners. Hello, ni hao. How are you?
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You're from China?
Yeah, China.
Oh,
China.
ni hao.
Ni hao, ni hao.
Ni shuloma.
我吃了。
Nice, nice.
Where are you from?
From England.
England.
Yeah, yeah,
okay. Vacation?
Yes, I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah. Are you guys living here?
No, we just work here.
Working.
Yeah, working.
How is it? It's good?
It's good.
You miss China?
Yeah, I want to go home.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But your English is very good.
No, poor.
No, you speak perfect English. Better than my Chinese. Amazing.
So you are here just for vacation?
Yeah, 3 days. 3 days. Yeah.
Why you choose this country?
I'm trying to go to every country, and I thought this is a unique place in the world. I like to go to places where the tourists don't go to, and this has a unique story, Italian colonization and stuff. So,
It's very unique.
Okay, amazing.
Okay.
Have a good night. So this is the Italian style. Look at this big old movie camera. God, this is really, really vintage. Fancy a beer, mate?
Play prize matchup.
Salam. How are you? I don't speak Tigray, sorry. Could we get 2 beers, please?
No beer.
No beer? Oh no.
at 7 o'clock.
I thought this was a party place. Not a party place?
No, but after 7 o'clock.
Okay. We'll just get 2 waters, please. Yeah, thank you so much. These look like beers. Alright, we're starting off strong with sparkling water. Cheers, mate. Sparkling water.
Or 7-Up. What one is it?
Might be 7-Up, but no, it says Dabarwa carbonated water. Yeah, so the reason why they don't have still water apparently is because they're trying to save on plastic. You could say that they could put still water in a glass bottle, but I don't know.
It smells like sewage.
Is it? Tastes a bit funny. We're gonna go check out the cinema. This is one of their 10 cinemas that they have in Asmara. Because, I guess, is that Italian cinema culture? Anyway, the cinemas are dead now. No one comes to cinemas apparently because we all got the iPhones and the movies and the Netflix. But this is like a theatre. Very cool. Alright, onwards. It's beer o'clock. Bar Lily! With a great big generator outside. Oh, it's busy. Wow, it's very busy. No beer? Hello, Sam. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you.
We're looking for some beer? Beer. Sorry? Draft beer.
Yeah, draft.
You have? Oh, nice. What's your name? Michaela. Michael.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Harry. Thank you. Cheers, mate. It's very good. We didn't ask how much it is, but apparently Kieran says the beer is cheaper than the water.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
It's my human ChatGPT. See, even here, very peaceful. No one's getting riled up, angry. There's no shout. If this was an English pub, oh my god, it'd be going crazy. Yeah, there'd be fights. If this is a Wetherspoons, I dare to imagine what would be happening. But very calm. Everyone's just watching the game very peacefully. Bit of Eritrean music in the background, sipping on some beer. All right, we couldn't really film in there, so we're gonna go to a different bar. Maybe we might not film this anyway. We're just enjoying a few beers, but it's nice to see they're watching the Premier League. The football culture is very big here in Africa, and obviously they love Man United, Liverpool. And it was $1. That is one of the best prices in the world for beer, I reckon, for a pint. We've unlocked a new area of and all I see is pizzerias and gelato shops. It's like we're in heaven. Salam.
Salam, hi.
People are like very, I would say, shy and definitely worried about the camera. I understand it, I get it. This is Africa. You got to be aggressively confident and just go up to people even though it's going to be awkward. Some people will say I'm being, a little bit too pushy, but this is how you get interactions here in Africa. You got to push for it. You got to be forward. I hear music, so I think there's beers. This is a beautiful clock tower.
I reckon we run this one.
Yeah? Kieran smells beer. Thank you so much. What's your... Yeah, I like it. Very good. What's your name? Jocelyn. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Harry. Nice to meet you.
Got to love an unbranded beer. Cheers.
Cheers, brother. This is the English pour right here. Oh.
I used to be a bartender.
That's a bit sus. There's no froth.
You have to pour like a 90 degree.
But I didn't, and there's no froth. That means it's not a very good beer.
No. Guess we'll taste it and find out.
What city? How much naka?
10 naka.
10 naka?
10.
Okay. Yalla.
Where are you from?
Guess. I'm from England.
England.
Yeah. Where are you from?
From Eritrea.
From Asmara?
From Asmara, yeah.
Okay, nice. What are you watching? What's this?
This video, normal video.
Oh, nice.
He's teaching me
Oh, what's he teaching you?
about technology.
Oh, nice. Amazing.
Holy Bible.
Oh, okay, awesome.
You take a picture.
Yeah, YouTube.
It's not good.
It's not good?
Yes.
No.
From England, from London.
Near London, yes, near London. Yeah.
What? Cardiff?
It's called Birmingham.
What about your friend? Where is your friend?
He is from London.
Where is he?
I don't know. He's probably looking for some Eritrean girls.
Ooh. It is very hard. Our culture is very hard.
Really?
Not like other countries.
They don't like foreigners?
Huh?
No, they don't.
No foreigners. Just our culture is very
Oh, they stay
strong.
They stay together.
Strong.
Okay, good. I like that.
We
I'm
are
a-
not yet foreigners.
Yeah.
They are like us person.
I get you. Yeah. Are you married?
Yeah, I'm married.
Congratulations.
I have 4 children.
4 children. Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry.
Yeah. How many hours do you work?
Work here?
Yeah.
12 hours.
12 hours.
Yeah.
Wow. How much on average do you make in one day?
150,
150. Okay.
200. It is enough. More
Yeah.
than enough.
It's enough for your family.
We love our country.
Amazing.
Yeah.
You're very proud.
You love your country.
I love my country.
Yeah. And I love my country.
Good.
My family is fighters, so they sacrifice for this land. So
Really?
I love my country.
They were fighting in the war.
They were fighting with Ethiopia.
Okay.
My country, Eritrea, is a beautiful country.
It is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very clean, and it's very safe. Look
Yeah.
at this. Dirty, clean.
Yeah.
Very good job.
Yeah.
And why is your English is so good? How?
Good.
How?
Thank you. No, from
From the videos.
from videos, and I'm already 11th grade.
Yeah. It's so good.
If you come after 2 years, everything is changed.
After 2 years.
After 2 years,
Do you think it will be?
if you come here, everything is changed.
Why? Why do you think that?
We start to develop our country. The
Oh.
war is over with Ethiopia.
Okay. And how is tourism? Tourism is slowly increasing.
Now it started
Okay.
slow by slow.
Yeah,
Because we are 80 years
80 years of war.
for war.
Oh
We
wow.
are in war. Now it's finished. We start to develop our country.
That's so good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What's your name again?
Harry. I said the female, not the male. Tea? Yalla. Yalla. Where?
Where you come from?
England.
Yo, Manchester United or Arsenal?
Aston Villa.
Oh,
Liverpool or Man United? Arsenal. How much for one spade? 150. Do you like the spade? You gonna get it? It's a good spade. Good quality.
How old are you?
Guess 27. Young. 27. And you?
27.
Same. 1997. And you? 28. Nice. Are you married?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Congratulations. Mabruk. No wife. Maybe. Do I need? Yeah. Eritrean wife.
Can you give me for lunch money? Have you money?
You can come with me. We can go for tea.
Give me money. I don't have
I'm
money
sorry,
for
brother.
lunch.
I cannot give to everyone
Why?
because and he will ask and then he will ask and then he will ask and he will ask.
What is it give me for lunch? I don't have money.
We can go for tea, but not.
Please.
What's your name?
Sam,
Where are you from?
Uganda.
What's the greeting in your language? What does it mean?
Hi.
Thank you for your time. What's your name?
No, say my bad.
Where are you from?
I'm from Asia.
What's the greeting in your language?
Halam Haliha.
What does that mean?
Hello, how are you?
What's your name?
Moriah Williams.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, lived in the UK for a while.
What's the greeting in your language?
Assalamu alaikum, Baijan. Baijan is my brother, and Assalamu alaikum is Assalamu alaikum.
What's your name?
Nicolette.
Where are you from?
I'm from the West, Nyoro.
What's the greeting in your language?
Olota.
What does it mean?
Howie.
What's your name? What's the greeting in your language?
You can say salam.
Alright, where are you from?
I'm from Eritrea.